What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 5mm 22-inch flat curb. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get right into it. So what I ordered is a 5mm 22-inch flat curb chain. It's 14K, solid gold. So I'm gonna get this open right now. I have my scale to the side. We'll see if it weighs the right amount. And I got my calipers to see if the width is right. So let me show you guys real quick. This is the chain advertised on the website. The place I got it from is called Saraf Jewelry. I saw very mixed reviews online for them. I was a little bit nervous going with them, but I ended up going with them because you really couldn't beat the price. So here is the chain that I ordered. This is what it should look like. And it should be 14K gold, 5mm, flat curb chain, 22-inch. And if you can see down here, it says that the approximate weight should be 18.6 grams. So we'll be able to see whether they went over, under, or hit it just right. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into it.
Nice, okay, open.
There's a bag within the box. Put that to the side, and now we'll get the bag open. I didn't even need my knife after all. Alright, here's what came in the package. First of all, we got this card. It says lifetime guarantee. Congratulations, you have just purchased a piece of Saraf jewelry, which is guaranteed to be free of defects in materials and workmanship. So basically saying if there's any manufacturer defects, they will cover it. They'll send me a new chain or fix it. All right, and then here is my receipts right here. And I put a special request on there for them to solder the jump ring on the chain, and there's a check mark next to that right here on the notes to solder the jump ring, and there's a little check mark, so hopefully they got that done for me. So let's open up the box. You guys will be the first to see it. Oops. Aw, man. Looks like there is a piece of foam over it, and here is the chain. Let me fix it up real quick. All right, I'm gonna put it back in the box just to show you guys the presentation and stuff. I'm liking it so far, guys. I'm really liking it so far. So here is the chain. There's what it looks like, and I'll show you guys a little bit better in a minute, and then I'll put it on my neck. So let me move the camera and show you guys what the chain looks like. All right, guys, so it came in this beautiful box. It's actually a very nice box. I wasn't expecting it to be that nice, but here is the chain. It's a 5mm flat curb chain. Let me set it down so it focuses. But honestly, I think this thing looks very, very nice. Feels good in the hands. First off, let's check around the chain to see the width of these links. I'll pick a random spot like right here. Right over 5mm. Let's pick another spot. Also right over 5mm. So there it is on the caliper, so you guys can see. 5.09. So next, let's put this baby on the scale. It should be, again, 18.6 grams. So let's see if they hit that mark right now. So I got my scale here. Let's put it to grams. All right. This is the part I was most scared about, that they wouldn't hit the mark. But let's see right now. And it says 16 grams, so very far from that 18.6. Might have to get in contact with them and see what's going on with that. Let's go tear it one more time so that it's at 0, zero it out. And now it's saying 15 grams. Okay. All right, let's do it a couple more times just to be sure. It says plus or minus 5% on the website, so I will look up right now what 5% of 18.6. That's way under the mark, guys. It looks very nice. They ended up soldering the jump ring for me, but it's pretty underweight. So let's see. 0.05 is 0.93, so it should only be 0.93 off, and it's actually a little bit more off than that. Let's see real quick. Zero that out and try it a couple more times. I really was hoping that they would hit their mark and that all the reviews would be wrong, but as you guys can see, yeah, 16 grams. It's just under that mark. I will have to get in contact with them and see what we can do about a refund for that gold weight. But right now, let's put that to the side and see the neck profile, because at the end of the day, you want to look good in your chain. So let's put this thing on right now. Take off my other chain. It's a little stainless steel chain. Put that baby to the side. On the side, it is stamped 14 karat, which is good. Alright guys, that looks pretty nice. I'll zoom it in first and then I will take it back a few feet so that you guys can see. There it is on me, guys. Let me turn on this light. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like on the neck. Again, it's a 22-inch 5mm flat curb. Honestly, really happy with it. I was really hoping it would hit that weight mark, but it ended up not. I will have to get in contact with them and see about a refund, but honestly, it looks really good, guys. I couldn't be more happy with the look. I'll update you guys in a little bit, telling you if I was able to get a refund from them, but for now, I love the look. It was just about 2 grams underweight, so yeah, I'll update you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, it's a few days later and I was able to get in contact with Suraf Jewelry. I emailed them requesting a refund on the missing gram weight, and all they requested was a picture on a scale of the chain, and so I sent that to them, and without asking any more questions, they issued me the $135 refund for the missing gram weight. One thing is, it hasn't hit my account yet. I'm expecting it to take between 2 and 3 business days, but it hasn't hit my account yet, which is a little bit weird, but not something I'm super worried about. I'm sure it'll come through eventually. So I wanted to take this outside real quick to show what the chain looks like under natural light. The sun is right in front of me over there. So I just wanted to show kind of the shine and what it looks like under that natural light. Obviously it's new, so it should probably be very shiny, but this is what it looks like under natural light. And last but not least, I wanted to show the side neck profile, basically the look of the chain when it's tucked, and there's really a good presence still, even when it's tucked, so I definitely recommend this chain length and width. Overall, I would rate my buying experience a 4 out of 5, only because the chain came in underweight. I was able to get a refund, so that's why the score isn't lower. Even though I was nervous about buying from Suraf Jewelry at first, I think I would recommend them to anybody in the market for a gold chain. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.